Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Discounted ka na! I love you!
Hi Leo, first of all, I want you to greet you a happy 60th birthday. Wish you more birthday, good health, long life, and syempre, happy. So, senior ka na. Pero in fairness mas gwapo ka pa sa kuya mo. So, happy birthday again and take care of yourself. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi Kuya! Happy birthday! I can't believe you're 60 years old. You look like you're 30. Enjoy! Have fun! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Love your family and friends.
Happy 60th birthday, Kuya Leo. We miss you. We love you. More birthdays to come. Sana makita tayo ulit. Cheers to your birthday.
It's true. That's why I said to Jojo.
Konnichiwa. Hi, Kuya Leo. Happy 60th birthday. God bless you always. Bye.
Hello, Kuya Leo. Happy birthday.
Birthday!
Happy 60th birthday, Kuya Leo. So, ready mo na yung pang-discount natin. I love you. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Leo! Happy birthday, Tito Leo. Wishing you good health, more blessings, and you're one of the few people na we can say na aging like fine wine. Poging-pogi.
Happy birthday, Tito Leo! Na-surprise ka ba sa birthday mo? Dual citizen ka na! Wala kaming ibang wish sa'yo kundi to have many more birthdays to come. Always be safe pagka nagbabiyahe ka. Enjoyin mo ang senior year mo. Enjoy lang. Masaya kami sa lahat ng mga blessings at magagandang nangyayari sa'yo sa buhay mo. We're always here for you. Alam mo yan. We love you. We miss you. We hope to see you soon. I would also like to take this opportunity para mag-thank you sa lahat. Sa lahat ng pag-aasikaso. Lagi ka nandyan para sa amin. We love you.
We miss you, we love you, Tito. Happy birthday,
Happy
Lolo!
birthday, Lolo!
Happy birthday, Lolo!
Love you! Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Lolo! Happy birthday, Lolo!
Hello, bro! Happy 60th senior birthday! Surprise! Anyway, ano pa nga ba ang masasabi ko? Wishing you all the best. A year that full of everything that gives you joy and happiness. At natutuwa naman ako dahil simula nang mawala si Mama, ang laki ng pinagbago mo. And I'm very proud of you because of that. Okay, sana tuloy-tuloy na yan. At wala nang, alam mo na. Enjoy life lang tayo. Ngayon, senior na tayo pare-pareho. So, basta mag-ingat ka lagi. Yung health mo, huwag mong pababayaan. Okay? Do everything that makes you best. Okay? Again, happy birthday, and I love you so much. Take good care. Bye. Enjoy.
Hi. Happy birthday, Leo. Ang pogi kong kapatid. Ayun na, yung pagbabago mo. Going straight na talaga. Ako, alam mo lahat ng mga sinasabi ko. Pero, wala kang narinig. Tahimik lang ako. Diba? Pero nakasumuporta pa rin ako. At bilang kuya, alam ko, nagampanan ko. Tahimik lang talaga si kuya. Mahirap ngayon dito ang buhay. Kasi tumatanda na rin ako. Pero kailangan pa eh. Kailangan ko pa. Kailangan pa ng mga anak ko. Kaya ikaw, Leo, magpakabait ka mabuti. Miss na miss ko kayo lahat. Lahat kayo talaga, lahat. Ang tagal ko na kasi hindi umuwi. Kaya, enjoy lang kayo dyan. Mahal na mahal ko kayo at miss na miss ko kayo lahat. Bye! Happy birthday ulit, Leo!